operation are you?
I'm getting a total hip replacement on my right hip. I experienced over a period of time a lot of pain and definitely reduced range of motion in my hip, and started to notice that just the simple chores were becoming more and more difficult.
Yes.
Like putting my socks on, tying my shoes, you name it, I did it. Martial arts, boxing. I love to jump rope and run. Simple things like walking in the mall, with my family, it just became almost unbearable. Mentally, it's also kind of just depressing, especially from a person who's been as active as I have and wants to continue to be active. That's it. Not bad for 10 days.
2 weeks after my total hip replacement surgery for my right hip by Dr. William Long. Just wanted to show some flexibility and some things that I can do now after having the surgery.